Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do a slow zoom CapCut. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to import that video right here or import it from your gallery, and then you have to click at the video and then go to the very beginning, tap the very beginning of the video right here, and then what you're going to do is you have to add keyframe. Okay, and then you have to move the video to the very end, go to the very end of the video, and then you're going to add another keyframe. So the keyframe icon is above. Now tap at the end of the video and then add keyframe. Now what you're going to do here in the last part is you just have to simply zoom. Okay, zoom the video like this. Okay, you can use your two fingers and then zoom the video like this. You can adjust it whatever you want. Okay, and then once you're okay with the result, you can now go back and you will see that there is this zoom or slow zoom effect here on your video. Now, if you want to make a slower version or if you want to make it more beautiful, you can add a graph effect and then tap ease in. But actually, this one is optional. To do that, tap the video, click this icon right here beside keyframe. You can see that it's graphs, and then you can add ease in one, ease in two, and you can also adjust. You can see the result right here if I tap this ease in one. And this one is optional, but you could also use this to make your video slower. And that's how you do a slow zoom CapCut. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.